Hey, how you doing? Let me turn this down. I did it, but I had to cheat a little bit. I did verify that there still is broadcast from China in English. And the way I did that is I found this chart and I wish I could figure out who posted it. It was in one of my users groups on radios. I belong to a lot of them. I get about 800 emails every day. And had a link to this page, which I downloaded. And I sent an email to the person who generated it and thanked him and asked him for permission to show it to you. I never got a response. So this morning, I wanted to give him full credit. So I went through my emails. Like I say, I get 800 a day, and I could not find his original post. I could not find it. So I couldn't give him credit. And he did not respond to my question. Anyway, it's called the World English Survey, and this is the January one. And right now it's about 3 pages, shows the countries and the time UTC when they're broadcasting in English. This is exactly what I wanted. So here it says starting at 11 o'clock at 9730 and 1111 they're broadcasting in English, which is what you heard. And since I've not been successful to find that radio station on my internet radio, and of course, shortwave reception right now in my location is terrible, I decided to use Kiwi SDR and use the map to find a person that had a radio in that area. And theoretically, he should be able to receive that because he's, 100, 200 miles away. There it is. I found it. It's this radio is in Hanoi, and he's using a long wire antenna. And I tuned to 9730, and there it is, China radio in English for an hour. Selling their own home e-commerce platform. It's a totally new brand ecology, like an Android versus Nokia. So, like iPhone, Huawei dominated their own ecology. So now I know that it still exists. The one thing I noticed in this listing is it says CGTN radio. It doesn't say CRI radio. So I'm going to go back to my internet radio from Bativas and see if that one is listed. This is not familiar to me, so that's maybe why I missed it. I am very blessed these past couple of months in receiving all these radios from these sellers. I want to thank them. Also, I just got from my good friend, longtime supporter, Thomas, the latest World Radio TV Handbook. It's about 800 pages of listings of radio stations and TV stations throughout the world. Plus, it has review articles about listening to radio and stuff like that. This has been a long time good source of information. They switched owners about a year ago because the other original company was going to stop producing it, and somebody picked it up, thank goodness, and it's still like it was originally. I have probably 15 old volumes that I've collected over the years. Anyway, that's exactly what's happening now that I've verified there is English broadcast from China. You notice it's not very often. So that's part of my problem. I was probably listening in this period of time and not getting anything. I didn't have that kind of a problem a couple of years ago. I could get channel radio almost any day on 9730. But band conditions for shortwave have been crazy. I mean, the A index has been above 10 for quite a long time. So I get a lot of noise when I try to tune the shortwave band on my radios. That's it. I want to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed my shows, please give me a thumbs up. That tells YouTube that I have some shows that people that are interested in, and they show my shows for people to find on other parts of YouTube, so I get new subscribers. In the past 6 weeks, I've gotten almost 300 new subscribers, and I want to thank you, new subscribers, for coming. I hope you'll stay. Hope you enjoy my shows, and I want you all to have a great day. Bye-bye.